Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Quantower symbol mapping. In this walkthrough, we'll make sure you know exactly where to go and what to expect, so your instruments line up correctly across data feeds and trading connections. Symbol mapping is helpful when a symbol code differs between providers. By telling Quantower which symbols are equivalent, you avoid issues like empty charts, missing quotes, or rejected orders caused by mismatched names. Begin by opening Quantower on your computer. Give the platform a moment to load your workspaces and connections. If this is your first launch of the day, it may take a few seconds while panels initialize. That's normal. Once the platform is open, look toward the top left corner of the main window. You'll see the application menu labeled with the platform name. Depending on your theme and layout, this may appear as text or alongside the app icon. This is the central menu for platform-wide tools and settings. Click on the Quantower menu to open it. A drop-down or panel will appear, showing categories like settings, connections, and platform utilities. We'll stay focused on the symbol tools for now. Inside this menu, search for symbol mapping. Many layouts include a quick search box at the top of the menu so you can type directly to filter. If you don't see a search field, scan the menu categories for a tools or settings section where symbol mapping is listed. You're looking for the panel that helps you align instrument codes across providers. When you find it, click on symbol mapping. A dedicated window or panel will open. This is where the mapping happens and where you'll review any existing mappings you've created previously. Now follow the on-screen procedure. The platform typically guides you through selecting the connections you want to map between, such as a data feed on one side and a trading connection on the other. You'll be prompted to enter or choose the symbol on each side. Be precise here. Use the exact code each provider expects. If the instrument requires an exchange, route, or instrument type, pick the correct one to avoid ambiguity. For futures and options, make sure contract month and year are correct. If fields like tick size, currency, or lot size appear, let the platform fill them automatically when possible, then confirm they look right. If there's an option to enable or apply the mapping, make sure it's turned on and save or confirm when prompted. The interface may also allow you to add multiple mappings in one session. Repeat the same procedure for each pair you need. That's it. By completing the on-screen steps, you've ensured your symbols align across providers, keeping charts, quotes, and orders consistent throughout Quantower.